if we type in library help is equal to datasets, then this comes up. Basically, datasets is a collection of datasets which come with R. So, you know, air passenger, monthly airline passengers, passenger numbers from 1949 to 1960. Biochemical oxygen demand. A wide range of studies of data. So these are loaded up already. You know, you don't have to do anything. So say we look at Titanic. See, it comes up, it already knows it. So I'll just do tab, return. So this, what is this? So it breaks the passengers into first, second, third class crew by gender. So whether they survived or not. So this is a interesting collection of data. What's this? Tooth growth. So it's the length of teeth and how much vitamin C they were given. So whether that makes any difference, I suppose. So you want to kind of maybe plot these and then see whether you notice anything. What I'm going to look at is islands. So I can shrink the top there because, well, I've seen that there are different kinds of data. I'm just going to be looking at one particular kind, or one particular set. So it's just the various islands around the world, you know, including, you know, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Now, the reason I'm looking at this is because it's a very simple data set, which I think makes more sense to begin with. So with the islands data, you can play around and, you know, gain confidence. Start, you know, walk before you run. So we can see that they are in alphabetical order. I can also go sort islands. And if I do that, now it's sorted them in order of increasing size. I can go decreasing equals true, so, you know, flip them. I can go sorted islands is equal to sort islands. So that way, you know, if I have them in a sorted way. And I'll show you why I want to do that. So I can plot them. It just has the island numbers and the size. So, well, I can kind of see that most of the islands are pretty small. There's some way up there. I can go plot sorted islands. Then it just looks prettier. So you can see, again, most of them are pretty small, and then it zooms up, which I think looks more interesting. What else could I do? So I'll do it as a histogram. Okay. Similar pattern, you know, most of them are small, they're the big one. Pie? Does that work? Yep. There's the pie chart. The sorted looks kind of nicer, since Asia and Africa are very big, and North America, South America. And then you have loads of smaller ones. And, you know, they're all on top of each other and we can't read what it says. How about table sorted islands? Okay. So that's Africa. I think Asia was the biggest, then Africa. So basically the idea is begin with islands and experiment with that, play around with that. You can then kind of go, oh, what would it look like with a log scale? Can I put a grid on it? How do I put a title? So, you know, you can just get going and learn the basics. We're then going to move into looking at other data sets here. Maybe ones where, you know, there's a correlation and we can fit data to it. Try and do a regression and that kind of thing. But islands is a good place to start.